My lunch today was creamy salmon. Look at this beautiful piece of marine water creature. This recipe is very easy to make. Guys, don't be a chicken, we can do this. We are starting with salt. Add black pepper, and we are doing this for both sides and to your taste. Add half stick of butter to a hot pan. Put your fish skin down. We need to make the outside of the fish a little crisp, so leave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds, do not touch it. I know you want to do something but don't. Meanwhile, let's shred that Parmigiano Reggiano. We need about 1 cup. Time is up, let's flip the marine creature. That is it. Do the same thing when you flip the fish, leave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You guys are doing fantastic. Let's remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now you will discard that oil, clean your pan and put another half stick of butter in it. We are doing our creamy sauce now. On high heat. Add 1/3 of a large onion. 2 tablespoons of bell pepper. Half jalapeno pepper. Mix it. Let's cook for 2 minutes. Add garlic and cook for another minute. Here is my secret weapon. Add capers and you will bring your dish to another level. Add 1 pack of sazon. Add 1 large tomato. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Add some salt. Put your marine creatures back in the pan. Beautiful, isn't it? Add 2 tablespoons of scallion onions. Add 4 tablespoons of cilantro. Let's soak those veggies. Nice. After 2 minutes, add your cheese to the mix and flip your fish. Let it cook for another 2 minutes and you are gold. All you friends and family will be bragging about your cooking skills. Because now you are one of us. We just cook like a boss. We are Try My Chow Babe. You can serve your marine creatures with white rice or pasta. Enjoy. Let me know if this video was helpful. Your comments, good or not so good, keep my cameras rolling. Please don't forget that lemon.
I wanna quit my dead-end job and do my own thing. I wanna pack my things and fly around the world. I wanna throw a big party and invite all my friends. I wanna be myself and not a social media fake. I'm gonna quit my dead-end job and do my own thing.